Alright, so I got this because my cat likes to just like sit on my desk and gets her hair everywhere, so I wanted something that was like easy and quick to clean with. It's powered by 2 AA batteries that you put in the bottom of it. I use rechargeable batteries, and it just has this button that you switch. And now you can like see all the like cat hair on my desk, and it did a pretty good job of picking it up. And it was pretty convenient versus like if you have to get like a pretty big handheld vacuum. It's also a lot quieter, like a small fan sort of noise. I didn't like that I couldn't get that stuff where my monitor stand is, like because of the odd shape, it couldn't fit under there, so it's not really good for that type of thing. I did want to test it out on a shelf, so I took off all the stuff on it and I tried to see how it was at like getting the dust off of this sort of surface as opposed to like a smooth surface. And it took like a couple of going over the same surface multiple times for it to work. I did then try to compare it to just a Swiffer duster, and in my opinion that worked better and it was a lot quicker. So for this particular thing, I think that I would prefer to do a Swiffer duster over this sort of mini vacuum. In terms of emptying it, you just have to press this button while you pull to get the bottom off, and then you take that black part out, and in there is where it collected everything that it was like vacuuming up. So you just have to empty that and put it back in. Overall, I think it was pretty easy to use and it's nice and tiny, but it may not be the best for certain surfaces. Turn it off. Oh, holy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.